Welcome. If you've been finding those comment likes notifications on Instagram a bit overwhelming, you're not alone. Luckily, there's a simple way to turn them off and regain control over your notification settings. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to disable comment likes notifications on Instagram, so you can enjoy a more peaceful social media experience. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is where you manage all your apps and their notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, find and select Instagram from the list. This takes you to the app-specific settings, where you can customize how Instagram behaves on your phone. From here, tap on Notifications. This section controls all the different types of alerts Instagram can send you. Now, look for an option called Notification Categories or something similar. This is where Instagram breaks down notifications into different types, like likes, comments, and more. Tap on it to see the detailed list. In the notification categories, find the toggle labeled Comment Likes. This is the setting responsible for those notifications that pop up whenever someone likes your comment. Simply toggle this off to stop receiving these alerts. And that's it. By turning off the Comment Likes toggle, you'll no longer get notifications every time someone likes your comment on Instagram. It's a quick and easy way to cut down on distractions and focus on what matters most to you. Remember, you can always come back to these settings if you want to turn the notifications back on or adjust other types of alerts. Managing your notifications helps keep your Instagram experience enjoyable and tailored to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your clutter-free Instagram notifications.